In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new invoice in Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which details to fill out, so your invoices look professional and are recorded correctly in your accounts. Let's start from your main Xero dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the menu option labeled Business or Sales, depending on your layout. From there, click on Sales. This is the area where Xero gathers everything related to the money coming into your business, including invoices and quotes. Going through sales ensures that your new invoice is created within the proper accounts receivable section. Next, within the sales area, click on Invoices. This will open a list of all your existing invoices, drafts, awaiting payment, paid, and any overdue ones. It's a good habit to glance at this list to make sure you're not duplicating an existing invoice for the same customer and the same job. Now, to create a brand new one, look for the option that says New Invoice and click on it. This starts a fresh invoice template. You should now see a blank invoice screen with fields for your customer, dates, and line items. If you don't see it right away, double check that you're still in the Invoices section and not in a report or another tab. On this new invoice screen, it's time to fill in the details. First, choose the contact or customer you're invoicing from the contact field. If the customer already exists in Xero, you can start typing their name and select it from the drop-down. Then, set the invoice date and the due date. Make sure the due date matches the payment terms you've agreed with your customer. Next, move down to the line items. Add a description of the product or service, the quantity, the unit price, and select the correct account code and tax rate. Take your time here. Accurate coding keeps your reporting and tax calculations correct. If you need multiple line items, add each one on its own row so everything is clearly itemized for your customer. Once you've reviewed all the information and you're happy with it, click on Save and Close. This saves the invoice in Xero and closes the editing screen, so you can come back to it later to email it, print it, or mark it as sent. That's all there is to it. Go to Sales, open Invoices, create a new invoice, fill in the details, then save and close.